In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails in Yahoo Mail. It's a situation we've all encountered at some point. You realize you've deleted an important email and now have to retrieve it. Luckily, Yahoo Mail offers a few methods to help you recover those precious messages. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Yahoo Mail by entering mail.yahoo.com in the address bar. Once you're logged in and your inbox is in front of you, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll notice several folders listed there, such as inbox, sent, and so on. What you're looking for is the trash folder. Scroll down until you find it, then go ahead and click on it. The trash folder is essentially a temporary holding area for emails you've deleted recently. If your email was removed recently, you might just find it there, sitting patiently waiting to be restored. Simply browse through the contents of this folder, and if you spot those emails, you can easily move them back to your inbox or any other folder of your choosing by selecting them and choosing the Move option. However, if you can't find the emails here, don't worry, there's another step we can take. The next thing you'll need to do is visit Yahoo's Restore Lost or Deleted Emails page. For your convenience, go to your web browser and type in the URL help.yahoo.com/kbe n25522. This page offers instructions on how to submit a request to Yahoo's support team. Essentially, what this does is ask Yahoo to recover any emails that were sent to your trash and then deleted from there within a specific time frame. To submit a restore request, you'll be asked to provide some details: your Yahoo account information, which includes your email address and the date range for when those emails were lost. Be as accurate as possible with the dates to increase the chances of a successful recovery. Once you've filled out the necessary information and submitted the request, it's time to be patient. Yahoo's support team will process your request, and this can take a bit of time. The waiting period might vary, but they typically try to address these requests as promptly as they can. After some time, it's worth checking back in Yahoo Mail to see if those emails have been restored. Examine your inbox thoroughly, as well as any other folders where they could potentially reappear. It's also a good idea to keep an eye on your spam or junk folder, just in case. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can recover deleted emails in Yahoo Mail. Remember, while it can be a waiting game, having a systematic approach ensures you cover all your bases. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful